Hey guys, I just thought I'd put this quick video together just to talk to you about really awesome product that I purchased online. Remote control car. It's a twister. I'm just going to give you a demonstration on a couple of the features that it does. Really easy to use. It's already set up. It's already out the box. So turn her on. Alright. Try and do this without dropping the camera. So obviously back and forth. The good thing about this remote control car is that you can actually change from stunt mode to just regular. So you press the button like this. Oh, I got it the other way around, my bad. Let's flip her over. That's right. That might help. So yeah, so you'll do that, and it'll go flat. It should just pop up there like that. Helps build up some momentum. Yeah, my little girl likes playing with this little car, so she's really... Let's get on there. Probably should have charged the batteries, but yeah, you get the point. You can do stunts with it and stuff. You press the button and it changes shape.